Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you how the People plugin tags feature is working. The tags allows you to make controlling and filtering the search of people easier and better for your work. So I'm going to show you the feature itself, so you're going to understand how it is going to work. Alright, so in our list of people we see that some of them has tags. For example, this guy has Junior and HTML. This one, Pong Steven, got Ruby and Senior. Alright, so let's for example add Ashton Kutcher one more tag. So we open the person and click on edit. Now scroll down to the tags and start typing the tag itself. So if it is not appearing when you start typing it, then the tag itself is not created yet. So in our case we're going to create CSS, alright, and maybe Java. Okay, so if the tag is appearing and when we start typing it, for example when we write R and U, then Ruby is appearing. This means that this tag is already appearing. Okay, so these two tags are just newly created by us now. So we save our changes and tada, Ashton Kutcher has new tags CSS, Java and Ruby. Alright, so let's go back to the people list. Okay, if we search for example by Ruby, then there is supposed to be a query that has two persons. It is Ashton Kutcher and Pong Steven. Let's try. We add the tags from the filter and select Ruby. Alright, so we see these two persons are now appearing here. And if you would like to access the query into the future and not every time selecting the filter, then you could just save it. So it is Ruby developers. Okay, it is now seen into the right corner here into the custom queries section. So when we go to the people list and just select the Ruby developers, then they are appearing. So these are the Ruby developers. Alright, so the last thing that I would like to show you is how to remove a tag. However, it is just as simple as adding a tag. For example, if Ashton Kutcher is no more liking the Ruby, then we delete from himself and save it. So he's no more a Ruby developer, alright? And when we go back to the people list and select the it is now selected, but when we go to the people list and select again the Ruby developers, then Ashton Kutcher is no more appearing here because he doesn't like Ruby anymore. Alright, so this is the tag feature of the People plugin. I hope the feature itself is good for you, and I hope this video was also helpful for you for understanding this feature. And yeah, if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from the People plugin. Thank you very much for watching this video and bye bye for now.